Take off.
Hello everybody, let's see how to rearrange a SMART TT301 temperature transmitter. Let's suppose that you have already pulled up the information, and here's the transmitter online. Double click. As soon as you have all the information organized by the tabs, make sure you go to sensor to verify if the sensor is really something to measure temperature. So in this case, it was selected an RTD, and the sensor is the PT100 IC. Remember that there are other options for these transmitters. The smart temperature transmitter is a universal transmitter. Not only can measure temperatures with a thermoresistor, RTD, or by thermocouples, or it can measure resistance itself and millivolts itself from different sensors, or some special millivolts or special resistance, and convert to other units. Also, you can enter your temperature sensor Van Dusen coefficients if some of the sensors for thermoresistors are not included in here. But let's say, going back and just keeping the RTD, you can see all the options you have for RTD sensors, that the curves are already built in. You don't need to do any linearization. Okay, so in this case, we choose PT100 IC. The connection type, there are different types of choices, and is selectable here, but in this case, let's work with the 3 wires. So what's important to know is that the sensor is a PT100 IC, so we are measuring temperature. Go back to range, leave without changing, yes. When you come to this dialog box, you see the lower value and the upper range value limit actually for the sensor was chosen, the PT100 IC. So you can go from -200 to 850. So if you want to work, let's say, from 0 degrees centigrades to 120, that's all you need to do. Set these two variables, and if you want to give it some filtering, specific temperature is a good idea because of the inertia most of the time. So you can say to measure and filter with a 2 seconds filter. Make sure you don't pick up noises. When you're done, all you need to do is send. So right now you are set from 0 degrees centigrades corresponding to 0% of your variable, and 120 degrees centigrades will correspond to 100% of your variable. Your run is done, and thank you for watching.